Hey guys, get rid Brian, and today I'm going to be showing you one of the most affordable electric ratchets, and it's actually from Amazon. Now what's really cool about this electric ratchet is we're getting a lot of power, a lot of speed, and a lot of leverage for a very good price. So as you can see, the Mako here is pretty standard size, but as you can see here, we're getting a lot slimmer of a neck, so we can get into a lot tight spaces, and it's a lot longer. So again, this is going to help you out of a lot of tight spots where you can't fit a normal ratchet, you can't fit a standard electric ratchet. This is going to be enabling you to get into those nice tight spots, and you don't have to pay an arm and a leg for it. Now when it comes to power, you're getting 59 foot-pounds of torque. Now this Mako one delivers 70 foot-pounds of torque, so it's literally 11 foot-pounds off from the Mako one, and it's literally a quarter of the price of the Mako one. So you're getting plenty of power and plenty of speed. Now you also have a lock on this, so if you don't want it going randomly off on your toolbox or trunk, this thing gets locked down. Now the legit best part about this electric ratchet is if you have Robustrue's, let's say, Impact, and it has the 21 volt battery, which is a 4.0, you could actually take this bad boy off, slip this off, and now you can use this bad boy on the electric ratchet. So now you're getting even more speed and power. And you could also do this with Makita batteries as well. Really freaking cool. But enough of talking about the electric ratchet. Let's actually see this bad boy in action.
Go ahead and break it loose, like so. And there you go. Now keep in mind, these are not breaker bars, these are electric ratchets. So for things that are lightly torqued, you can go ahead and manually break it loose. But on things that are really tight, you don't want to really crank really hard on something like this. You want to get a breaker bar and then go ahead and zip it out with this baby.
These are bolt runners. These are not breaker bars. Now, the awesomest part is these are legit super affordable. They're normally $100, but they're going for 60 to 70 bucks right now. And that's legit a quarter of the price of a regular Mako one. So you're getting almost the exact same power. You're getting more accessibility with this bad boy. And best of all, with this bad boy, you're actually getting 2 batteries, a charger, sockets, and a cool carry bag. Legit an awesome bargain. Now, do I recommend this bad boy for you? Of course. Any DIYer, beginner mechanic, even regular mechanic, and professional like me, you're going to really benefit from this bad boy. If you don't want to spend the big bucks on a Mako, on a Milwaukee, or whatever it may be, this literally gets the job done for both DIYers and regular dang mechanics. Honestly, I'm very much impressed by the amount of value you're getting out of this electric ratchet for the money you're paying for it. So I recommend this to everybody and anybody, and I'm actually going to be using this daily on the channel. Now, if you're interested in picking one of these bad boys up, I got a link in the video description down below, as well as my YouTube channel description as well. And as always, I hope it helped.